Hello everybody and welcome to a new episode of Let's Play Indie Games. In this episode we're gonna play a game called The Dungeon of Courage. This is brought to you by our dear member in our Discord channel, ChineseMcNugget. So, it's as an AI controlled movement dungeon. There are 10 levels. Can you beat them all? And it's submitted under the studio name called SingleRoadStudios. You'll find the link in the description below. Alright, let's start. Let's see what is this about. Dungeon of Courage. Start. Level 1.
Hello, Subject 301. I am the Dungeon Master and I control what goes around here. Every 5 seconds I take away one of your movement keys. Haha, and don't mind me, I am just spectating.
Okay. Apparently my face is in a position. Hello player. I'll just move it a bit here. Dungeon key is disabled and a button was disabled. Which button? Oh! So I lose a button. Okay. I lost the back button. I can't go back? Okay, it's fine. I can go forward.
Every time you beat one of my dungeons, I start to shatter. Stop playing.
What? Never mind. I like how it looks. Okay, button's disabled. I can't jump. Space button was disabled. A is disabled. Means I can go left. But I don't care. Now I can go right. Okay, please let me move. Okay, space is disabled. Okay. Okay, A is disabled. Let's do it quickly. Space is disabled. Oh my god. I'm just jumping up. Okay, never mind.
You know that it hurts me to get shattered. I told you to stop playing. Maybe the lasers will stop you.
Let's see.
Are you blindfolded?
I lost 1 health. He's angry now. Oh no. Okay, I can't go forward. Okay, let's... Woo! No!
My grandma plays better than you.
Really? Let's go. Space is disabled. Oh, he's chasing me. Get away! Okay, I can go right.
This isn't fun anymore. If my traps can't kill you, then I have to do it myself.
Oh, what? Oh my god, he's shooting me.
Are you blindfolded?
Blindfolded.
Haha, I seen better. This isn't fun anymore. If my traps can't kill you, then I have to do it myself.
Well.
My grandma plays better than you.
Shut up. Shut up. Please don't disable my D button. Am I gonna die?
I seen better. This isn't fun anymore. If my traps can't kill you, then I have to do it myself.
Okay. Please don't disable my... I can't move forward? No, I can't move forward. Please hold on. Ah!
It's so easy to not die.
Yeah, no.
Haha.
No, I think I'm dead. No. Please enable.
Is this your first time playing a game? This isn't fun anymore. If my traps can't kill you, then I have to do it myself.
And the annoying part is that some buttons are getting disabled. See, like twice at the same time. Like now I got D button not working. Okay, so I can just keep. Oh my god!
So easy to not die.
Please enable. Don't disable. Yes. No! I can't go forward. I think what would be cool is instead of disabling a button, I mean, disabling is fun, but there could be something like revert. Oh, I got it.
I said stop playing, look what you have done to me.
I think I broke him.
Stop playing a game. I said stop playing, look what you have done to me.
I like the voice. Okay, okay. Please don't disable anything that I need. Yep.
Are you blindfolded?
No!
Haha.
Okay, please just... Whew. Alright. Please don't disable the jump. Okay, I can't go right anymore. Boom, boom, boom. Now the space is disabled. No, please.
Is this your first time playing a game? I said stop playing, look what you have done to me.
Almost there, almost. Please don't disable D. Okay, A is disabled. No!
Haha.
No! Ooh. Okay, left is disabled. Please. No! Ah. But I can't go right. Another D. Okay, A is disabled. That's good. So let's go here. Let's just jump. Please keep A disabled. I don't want...
You think you can beat my dungeons? Ha 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 ha, good luck.
Yeah, of course I can.
It's so easy to not die.
Okay, I got this time. Let me go forward as fast as I can before I get all the buttons disabled. Wait!
Is this your first time playing a game?
Why is he jumping? Okay, I don't mind.
I seen better. You think you can beat my dungeons? Ha 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 ha, good luck.
Let's go. For some reason he keeps jumping.
You think you can
Wow.
beat my dungeons? Ha 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 ha, good luck.
Try number 17 or 800. I have no recollection.
Are you blind? I'm blind better than you. You think you can beat my dungeons? Ha 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 ha, good luck.
This is one of those games where you have to not get upset. Oh, let's go. Wait. Oh. Yeah, I tricked the system.
Is this your first time playing a game?
No. Please, space. Okay, it's fine. I can't go right, but I can go left. I want to go left. Haha. Okay, please don't disable left from me. And get away from me. Okay, I can go there. Nice.
I seen better. You think you can beat my dungeons? Ha 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 ha, good luck.
I need to beat it. It's getting way too difficult. It's getting way too difficult. Okay. Left is disabled.
My grandma plays better than you.
Oh, no. Please, let me enable jump. Yes, I can't go right anymore. No!
Are you blindfolded?
Whoa! That was a high jump. Okay, let's go. Please don't disable A. Okay, I can walk. I cannot walk anymore. Okay, D is disabled. Let's wait for this. Haha. I have to. No!
Haha.
This is getting way
You
too.
think you can beat my dungeons? Ha 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 ha. Good luck.
Hmm. Which level is this? No, no, please let me jump. Come on, man. Oh! No!
Are you blindfolded?
Okay, 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 okay. We're gonna get there. Oh no, I can't go left. I can't go left. I know I can jump. Okay, I can go right, so I need to go left. Please, please don't disable A. Yeah. Space is disabled. That's not good at all.
It's so easy to not die.
No, man, come on. The same button should not get disabled twice, man. Or it's just part of the game. Oh no! What's happening? Almost there, almost there.
Hope you like more bullets. Ha ha ha.
No, no, I don't like more bullets. Okay, I'm gonna just ignore what's.
Ha ha. Are you blindfolded? Ha ha.
Okay.
Hope you like more bullets. Ha
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 ha ha ha
ha.
ha ha. I think he just has some friends shooting with him. What? Why did I get back? What's.
Ha ha.
Stop laughing, man. It's not fun.
Is this your first time playing a game?
Oh, the auto jump happened. I think it's a bug. But I don't care.
It's so easy to not die. Hope you like more bullets. Ha ha ha.
Ah. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Is this your first time playing a game?
Come on, disable something else. Okay. Ah! Again? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Going forward. Going forward. Space is broken. Okay, I don't care. I can go forward. Always go forward. Ah! Okay.
My grandma plays better than you.
Please!
My grandma plays better than you. Hope you like more bullets. Ha ha ha.
It's getting more annoying. Okay, A is broken. It's fine. We nobody needs A. We just need D and space!
So easy to not die.
I take back my words. I need
Hope
A.
you like more bullets. Ha ha ha.
Come on! You can do it. You can. Okay, A is down. That's fine. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen now. Woo! A is down again. Please don't break.
Is
Space!
this your first time playing a game?
Alright, let's go. Let's see what we have stuff. No, we have.
Ha ha.
I didn't see the bullet. It's unfair. Come on.
Ha ha.
I can't see the bullet.
Hope you like more bullets. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Okay, A is down.
Ha
Space. Oh, please, 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 please. Oh, these down. Of course. Of course. Okay, A's down. It's good, it's good. Please. Woo!
Haha.
Please.
Ha
Woo!
ha ha ha, you need to stop.
Nah, I don't can stop. Okay, let's see how difficult can you get. A is disabled, I don't care.
I seen better.
No!
So easy to not die.
Help! What is this jump thing? Wow.
My grandma plays better than you.
My
Ha 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 ha, you need to stop.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Long jump. And... Okay. Okay, we have space disabled. Can go forward, of course. Oh, oh my god.
Ha ha.
Yep, 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 yep.
This is your last chance to stop playing.
Oh, is this the last level? No, 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 no. Don't disable. Hey, nice. Run! Meow. Meow. We have A disabled. That's good, that's good. We're on the roll. Another A. My god. My odds are amazing. Please don't disable D.
You did this to yourself. Get ready to. My grandma plays better than you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why am I gonna... What? Should I go... I get D disabled. Oh my god, right next to the spike thingy. D disabled again. Okay, okay. We can do it. Space. Whoa! Oh, life? Is this life? I can't go left. Please don't kill me. Oh. No, no. Wow, I'm so good. No, no. I can't go left. Let me go left. Oh. Am I supposed
I
to...
seen better.
Am I supposed to let him destroy these stuff? Okay, I think I know what to do. Come on. I figured out the puzzle. Yes. Got it. How long did it take us? Just 18 minutes. You did it. Finish. Nice. Game is quite nice. It's as far as I remember, he created it in a really short time. One thing I would like to add is like the level difficulties are fun. It's not a bad thing, but the disabling button, maybe you can add something more, like as I said, invert. Instead of going left, you go right, and then maybe slowing, maybe extra speed, or your jump becomes way too high. So these things that you cannot control of. But all in all, it's a nice game, and I like the robotic voice. It's really nice. So that's it. I hope you liked this episode. If you did, hit the like and subscribe. Also join our Discord channel. And if you have any more questions, hit the comments below. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.